and he basically appeared just for his devotee, just for his devotee. And that's what we are eager here to invoke the same blessing that Lord Narasimhadev can appear in our life to protect us.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vishanantam Sarvatam Vishanambadharamatimitaramam Sanam Phat Swaha. Om Samakavina Mahavishanambadharamatimitaramam Om Sanahum Phat Swaha. Om Samakavina Mahavishanambadharamatimitaramam Sanam Phat Swaha. Yahum Phat Swaha. Om Shrim Rim Klim Krishnaya Govindaya Gopijana Parapada Param. Om Sahasraksaya Swaha. Om Junini Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Swaha. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Swaha. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Rama